All right. Good afternoon, boys and girls. Ms. Pearson here. All right, today what we're doing is a science experiment talking about chemical reactions. All right, we need a few different things before we get started. I already poured out a cup full of white vinegar, a third of a cup of baking soda. I have a balloon. I have a funnel. And I also have an empty 2-liter bottle. All right, and the first thing that we need to do to get ready is I have to get this baking soda into the balloon. All right, and if I just try to pour it, is it going to work?
No.
No, it's not going to work. Is the pipe going to work, Piper? No, it's going to make a huge mess. So what
you're going to use the blue thing.
I'm going to use
funnel.
the funnel. All right, I'm going to stick it inside the balloon, maybe. I'm good, thanks, bud. All right, and I've got to get it up far enough to where whenever I pour the baking soda through, that it drops down into the balloon. All right, so I'm going to shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. All right, you can see the balloon is getting heavier. Okay, I'm going to pull some of it off because it's not all going in. All right. Funneling into the balloon, maybe. Almost. All right, I'm going to take it off. It might all come out. All right, so now I have a balloon that has the baking soda in it. No, it's coated on the inside because I rinsed it. It's okay. All right, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put that aside and I'm going to pour the vinegar into the 2-liter bottle. All right, if I make a little bit of a mess, that's okay.
Then use that thing again.
I could use the funnel, but it would mix with the baking soda and we would already get a chemical reaction. So be very careful. All right, and a chemical reaction happens, boys and girls, whenever you take 2 chemicals and put them together and then make a new chemical. Or sometimes they make more than one. And what we're going to see is this make a different kind of chemical. It's also going to change its state of matter. Right now I have liquid and I have solid. All right, so what do you think is going to happen whenever I pour the baking soda balloon into the vinegar?
It's going to explode.
It's going to explode? Maybe.
Maybe it's going to blow up the balloon.
Maybe it's going to blow up the balloon. That's a nice hypothesis. Do you think so, Pipes? Okay, so I have to be very careful when I put the balloon on top of here that I don't spill the vinegar. All right? And that I don't get any of the baking soda inside the 2-liter first. Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, I'm kind of nervous. Let's see what happens.
Whoa.
What is happening?
It's blowing it up. Water's going to go in. Some of the water's going to come in.
Look, so it did make a little bit of an explosion, didn't it? Did it make the balloon explode?
No.
No, what went into the balloon? What made it blow up?
Gas.
It is a gas. It actually turns into CO2, carbon dioxide, and that created the gas. But now the chemical reaction has slowed down. All right? So my balloon didn't get much bigger, did it? All right, and that's how you use baking soda, vinegar, and a 2-liter bottle to blow up a balloon.